Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're at that time of the year. We're getting to the end of the year where everybody is doing Christmas shopping. So this video is all about toys, toys for your babies or 1 year old. I would say from 9 months to like 15 months old. Yeah, because some of these toys Elijah had from way before, but he's still enjoying them. So I'm gonna go through with you guys. I'm not gonna put a number on it. I can't say 10, top 10 or whatever. I'm just gonna go through them, show you guys what he has, what he's loving, and hopefully it can help you to create your Christmas list for your baby, your niece, your nephew, whoever it may be. So if it is your first time here, my name is Tamika. Happy to have you. Thanks for stopping by. We would love to have you over here. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is, well, our books. So this one in particular, and they have a bunch like these. I think that's the thing. I think TJ has this from maybe 4 months or some 4, 5, 6 months, somewhere down like very early. I don't remember. My brain is really bad when it comes to remembering stuff like that, but yeah, so he had this for a very long time and he appreciated it then, but he even more appreciated it now. That's the sound the pig make. That's the RC. Rs. He love the animal sounds, so it's just amazing. He go crazy for this book. So basically this one is farm animals. As I said, they have different type, and each page you go on, or even if you don't want to open the book, but these right here make sounds. Books in general, TJ love this one. This is Say Please. He love this one, and his other favorite one, I don't see it right here right now, but it is Llama Red Pajama. He love that book. He just love books in general. So books are a great idea for gift. Still in the field of learning, there is this Leapfrog Toy. I bought this for him for Christmas, but then after I bought it, I realized that I had one, so I had to send back that one. But yeah, he had this one that somebody gifted him. But because I do toy rotation, I don't know. As I said, I don't remember stuff like that. So this one was packed away, and thanks be to God, I went in there and saw it. So, but he used it. The battery's dead now. But basically, it's another sound book, right? 100 words, and the best thing about this is it is in Spanish and English. That's superb. The button is right here. You can either put it on English or Spanish, and when you press on each thing, like fruits, it would tell you the fruits, the name of the fruits, and so on and so forth. As I said, the battery died, so it ain't saying a thing right now. But yeah, TJ loves this also. So stuff like these are just helpful to help their little brain to work and remember stuff. So these bath toys, this is A to Z, and then number 0 to 9. These, whenever they get wet, they stick to the side of the tub. And what we do at bath time is I'll put them all on there, like A to Z. We're not doing numbers yet. When he's taking a bath, he's actually doing it himself. He love that. So that's a great idea also for Christmas gift. Also, he has these bath toys. These are animals. These were gifted to him, so I think it comes in a pack. I don't remember how many animals came in the pack, but there's quite a few. See, there's a sheep over here. Let me get the sheep. So you have the sheep, you have the doggy, I think you have a sea lion. There was a pack of animals, but it is literally bath toys, so it holds water and you can spray it on them, and TJ have a lot of fun with that when he's doing bath time. So also we have these stickers it's magnet stickers for the refrigerator. Yes, I bought these probably about June, because I remember buying them right when I moved here. So he loved these, right? So these are, and they have them in different animals, different. They have them in ABC also. They have them in numbers. So These are also great for gifts. Just like to stand there and take them up, put them on, take them off, put them on. And what I do also while he's standing up, to get him to stretch, I put some at the top so he would reach up and actually go on his tippy toes to get it. So these are just great also. Listen to me. Every children love Magneto, Magnetiles. These are awesome. They can use these to build different stuff, and it just click together. So I don't even know the brand of this one, but this one is super strong, so they can build stuff. You see, they can build their houses or whatever they want to build. Just be creative and play around with it, stuff like that. So Magnetiles, they never get old, they never get tired of it. You can do a ton with these. So this, and they have it in different sizes. So I think you can get it in a pack of 100, or you can get it in a pack of 50. So I'll probably link both of those down below, just in case you don't want the 100, you want the 50. I think that's how it's sold, right? I think so. But yeah, these are great. Next up on my list is these blocks, these building blocks. Yeah, so this is the bag. This is the mega block. You see, they can build stuff. So this one comes with 80 pieces, and they can literally stack them, pull them off. I like to stack them and then TJ pull them off. That's how we enjoy it. So because he cannot really stack them that much, he put it on it, but he doesn't like push it down. So I stack them, and he have a lot of fun pulling them apart. So we have these wooden blocks, and this one is a pack of 100. So this is 100 wooden blocks, and it's similar to that, just that this is wood and this does not have something to push down on. It's just like free stacking, so they can do whatever. As I say, TJ cannot stack them yet, but he have fun, so much fun knocking them over when I stack them. So I'll sit there and stack them for him, just for him to knock over. That's how he's enjoying it at the moment, because he cannot stack them, or at least he stack them like this, put them like one on top of the other, but he cannot stack them really high. Okay, next you have this ball pit. So with the ball pit, he got these balls of different colors, about 20, I think about 20 of them came with this ball pit, and he can just, used to sit inside the pit and play with the ball, but now he just go in and out, because now he can maneuver his way in and out. He just go in and out, he doesn't care. So that's what he does. And then what I use it to do is store his extra toys, so it just contains the mess. So I just use it to store all his other toys. But to piggyback off that, with these balls, another great gift idea are balls. So he has this one, and he also have this one. This one is legit perfect size for him. This one is a little bit big. He play with both anyways. You see him kicking these up and down the hall. You don't play with him? You don't play with him? Yeah, he play with these a lot. He's now trying to throw, so yeah, he's trying to throw this, and then I pick it up, I throw it, he chase after it. So yeah, he love balls. So these also, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, they sell these in a pack of 3 with like 3 different type of ball, and a football is included, a small, just like this, like smaller size football. So that's a great gift idea that they're going to love. Okay, I'm so sorry, but everything in my house needs battery, so this one is going boop, boop, boop. So yeah, it needs battery. But anyways, this is another great toy for babies and toddlers. This is the Leapfrog Dino's Delightful Day, and it also do ABC. It does the words. Well, as I say, it's kind of glitchy because the battery is dead. So it has this little part right here with a little rattle that they can spin. It makes noise, so perfect for babies. They can just play with that if they're not ready to say ABC and all of that jazz. So this toy is awesome for babies and toddlers. I'm sorry, another toy that needs battery. But yeah, TJ, he loves this little dino. This one was gifted to him. That's all That is legit all it says now because the battery is dead. But instead of it like doing what it's supposed to do, 1 2 3 ABC, it just go as in the dinosaur. So I need to get batteries for these. But this one is a great toy because you see it has the rotation thing at the bottom. So when you put it on the floor, well, it doesn't go on the carpet if you have wood floor, because we'll do this in the kitchen sometime or on the tabletop. So when you put it down, or even we took it outside too. So when you put it down, it just spins, it moves forward, it spins. So he likes this a lot. Well, when it had battery. So I need to just buy like a big pack of battery and just distribute it to all the toys. Bingo! Here's one that works. This is another one of TJ's favorite. Oops. So this is the VTech. Yeah, it worked. This one don't need any battery. So this is the VTech Monkey Band Music Center. This one, whenever I'm going on the road, I just drop this in my diaper bag because I know that he loves it. It can entertain him while I'm busy doing, I don't know, like even if he's like getting fussy and I don't, when I'm on the road, it's either two things, either this or Coca Melon. If this doesn't do it, oh Lord, honey, Coca Melon will. Ooh, I love Coca Melon. So whenever we're on the road and if he's getting fussy, whether he's sleepy, tired, whatever, I'll just give him this, or if this doesn't work, sometimes he throw it away out of anger, I'll give him Coca Melon. So another gift idea. Ooh, child, let's talk about cars. TJ, this one is legit his favorite. He will push this thing all day, every day. So this is look like a Mustang, but I think I bought this at the CVS. The door open. He doesn't really care about that, all of that right now. Anyways, you just like push it because this is a pull back car. So when you put it back, it just go on its own. So you love this. We also have this one. This one is a remote control car. He does not like the remote control aspect of it because he doesn't understand why the car is moving on its own. So it kind of scare him. So whenever we use remote control, he would run from the car and act crazy. So he rather to push it, so we just allow him to push it around. But he likes this a lot. And then for Christmas, this is legit one of his Christmas gifts because he loves cars so much. These are the monster truck cars. It's 5 in the pack. I think he's gonna love these. And he also, for Christmas, he got this Paw Patrol fire engine. So another assortment of wheels. Okay, so it's not car but wheels. I think he's gonna love it. And also another Christmas gift that I got him is the Coca Melon school bus. Guys, when I tell you that he's gonna flip over this, he's gonna flip. He loves Coca Melon so much. And not only does he love Coca Melon, but the Wheels on the Bus song on Coca Melon is legit his favorite. He's gonna love this thing so much. And it does sing, it's sing the Coca Melon song. Okay, I don't want to wake him, he's asleep. I don't want him running out here. So when you press this, it sings the Coca Melon, the Wheels on the Bus go round and round. So he's gonna love this. I can't wait to give it to him. I can't wait to give it to him. Okay, lastly in the car department, I hope I can find, I'm gonna try my very best to find links for everything that I mentioned. I might or might not, but if I don't find links for everything, because a lot of these, some of these are gifted, a lot of them I did not buy on Amazon. So I'm gonna try. I'm gonna see. I know I have links for most of them though. Next thing is this Ride On. This is for babies and toddlers, right? TJ got this for his 1-year-old birthday, and until this day, even this morning, he was using it. That's why it's right here. He loved it. He loved it so much. When he first got it, he did not understand the concept of pushing it himself with his feet. And then my nephew was here who was pushing him, so he didn't challenge himself to figure it out. He was just enjoying the ride. But then after my nephew left, he figured it out. So now he uses it for himself. He pushes it around all day. If you've been on my channel for a while, you would remember this. TJ has this from probably about 3 months, probably 2 months. when he started kicking his legs, I bought this. This is the play mat where the baby can lie on his back and play with this, or he can do tummy time on this. Display music. I think it does 1, 2, 3. I don't think it does ABC, but it play music. It does colors, shapes, and numbers. Listen, I have no regret that I bought this, and this is exactly why I bought this. This toy, if you have a baby or a toddler, this toy is great because as you realize, no, TJ only pay attention to this part, but when he was younger, where he wasn't sitting up, the entire toy, as in the mat and everything, he used it a lot. Now that he doesn't need the mat and all anymore, he has this part that is the piano that he plays with literally all the time. So I'm not gonna say every day because he has so much toys, he doesn't play with one toy every day. But I did mention this one with the wheels stuff, cars, but this also is the VTEC fire engine. TJ adored this. He loved this also. He had this from me when he was small, and this, I think this is a big part of him crawling so early, because I would put this on the floor, and it's a press and go car, so when you press on it and let it go, it goes. So I would put this on the floor, and it also has the siren if it works. Well, needs battery. As I say, I'm just gonna have to buy a pack of battery, because normally it would go with the siren sound, which is amazing, and it has the lights in the front. So he was always fascinated by it, so he would literally try to crawl for it. So I think this is him crawling. But let me know in the comments if you like the gift ideas, if there's anything that I left out that you would have liked, if you saw TJ with something, because I'm sure I'm leaving something. I know when I upload this video I'm gonna be like, oh crap, I could have mentioned that. But yeah, if there's anything that you saw TJ with that you would like links for, you let me know, because a lot of you follow me on Instagram, and if you're not following me on Instagram, what are you doing? Make sure you go over there and follow me on Instagram at tamikalbennett, same thing as my YouTube. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.